Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to our first timers. Hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe underneath so that way every week we can come straight from my kitchen to your kitchen and we can have a lot of fun making some absolutely delicious recipes. This week, no time for dinner, guys, no problem. I got the recipe for you. Beautiful, creamy broccoli pasta in one pot. You need one pot, you need a few ingredients, you need just about 20 minutes and you got dinner on the table. Sit back, let me show you how we cook this. was quick and easy, one pot, not much fuss, and dinner is on the table in no time at all. Guys, this recipe, it is absolutely something you should have in your book, in your kitchen. When you come home tired, you have no much time, put these ingredients together, sit back, and then you'll have dinner for the family. Put a salad together, a few dinner rolls, and like they say in Australia, Bob's your uncle. Anyway, guys, thank you again for joining us. If you like this video, don't forget to give us those likes. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so underneath, and don't forget to ring that bell so that way every time we post something, we come straight from my kitchen to your, and we can have fun together. Thank you for the comments and feedback. Let me know how you go with this recipe, and we'll definitely, most definitely see you next week. Bye-bye.